To enable and use Circle to Search in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find gestures. Go to System Navigation and then make sure that your Circle to Search is active. Now to actually use it, we'll need to click and hold our home button, the circle right there, and that way you will activate your Circle to Search. To use it, there's multiple different ways. So starting from, we can click on the text on the screen that we can see, and that way by selecting that text you'll be able to perform Google search. You can also click on the images and that way perform Google image search. Another way is to click on the translate button, and that way you can translate entire page from one language that is detected to the other language that you can choose. The other way to use it is to click on the Google search right there, and that way you can use Google image search along with the text search of the entire page. Then we have the music button. If you click on it and allow all of the permissions, it will search and try to detect the music that is playing in the background, and that way you can get your music title if you like something. You can also click on the text specifically and then translate it like this. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.